And if you're listening to this and you're like, oh, wow, I didn't really realize this about sound packs. How do I get them? If you go into Logic, just the Logic Pro menu, there's a selection called Sound Library. And you can go in there and you can open your Sound Library Manager, and it will kind of show you what you currently have, what you don't have. And there's an option to even download all available sounds. So if you have a really big hard drive and you want to go down and get those 39,000 sounds like I was talking about, you can do that. You can just download them in one fell swoop. So again, Logic Pro, Sound Library, and then you can download sounds from there. So super cool feature of Logic Pro.